All right, good morning. So my account is at 50,400. We took a loss yesterday, $300 loss. Let's see if we can earn some back today. We do not have news today till 1, so we are good. And like I said yesterday, making some changes to my trading plan. Trading mainly supply and demand now, not really support and resistance or break and retests. Um I also am not going to be trading Wednesdays anymore, just so I can have like a break in the middle of the week and minimize losses. We have some demand zones here on gold. Got a few of them. So it's already tapped. Let's see if we can target any of these. Yeah, we were bullish, or sorry, we were bearish, and now we are breaking structure to the upside. Price has broken this high over here, so these zones look pretty valid. NQ and ES don't have much going on as far as supply and demand goes, but we had this big push down. So we could target this supply zone. Other than that, there isn't much going on these two instruments. Gold is approaching our first demand zone. See how it reacts here. It's rejecting off it nicely so far. Nice reaction here at the zone.
Order submitted.
Break this candle, you will get in. Looks like price has been respecting the 13 EMA, staying above it for the most part. Price is at 13 EMA right here, so if it pushes up, it should respect it here. Hopefully. Looks like I might tap the zone again. There is a supply zone right here at this level. So we could target this high. But It takes us that. It's a big move, so probably won't go that high. Price may just push through this first demand zone. Let's see, it's kind of stuck right here right now. It's still not closing in the zone.
Order canceled.
I think I'm gonna. This is a smaller move. If it does break this candle, let's go 2 contracts
Order
so we get
submitted.
the same amount of risk. Because I'd be waiting for it to break this candle anyway, so might as well get in a little bit earlier. It's like I might just push through.
Order canceled.
So 15-minute demand zone a little bit lower, and then also one right here. So it's not invalidated yet. Although it is like the 5-minute demand zone is kind of pushing through. But this whole area is still the 15-minute demand zone. So it could still reject off here. This could also be seen as support right here. Prices bounced off it several times. Extra confirmation. Looks like it's going to close in the zone though. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Gold is just melting through here. Looks like price is about to break through the zone. Just fine. See if it reacts off this next one. All right, we are pushed past this demand zone. ES is creating a demand zone down here, and Q's almost there. It's just that this price hasn't broken this previous high yet, but ES has. We have these gaps to fill to reach up to this demand zone or supply zone, sorry. So that's another potential trade we could take. But this gold trade looks pretty good. Looks the best. We're above the 200 EMA, going with the trend. It might be going up. It's gonna take off without me. Didn't tap my zone. Don't FOMO into it. Need to tap my zone. All right, NQ has broken that previous high. So now this setup is valid. Okay, so keep an eye on these two setups. Also, now gold wants to push up. It's bouncing off support. I'm not going to take it because told myself I would mainly do supply and demand. So takes off, it takes off. Looks like ES and NQ are might be coming back to the zone. Oh, gold. You couldn't have come down all the way to my zone. Gold's pushing back down. Keep going. Tap my zone. That'd be nice. That'd be beautiful. Come on, gold. It's like NQ and ES might tap the zone before gold does. Tap it, gold. Come on. Keep pushing down. Tap the zone. You're so close, too. Come on, man. Give me something. Yes, and NQ might take off without me. They haven't tapped my zone, so I don't have an entry. We just have to wait. Come on, gold. Tap it. There we go. Finally tap the zone. Gotta see a nice rejection here. Candle needs to not close. Well, doesn't need to, but preferably needs to not close in the zone. Nice rejection already. Let's see if it continues to reject. Still have about 2 minutes on this candle. There's a nice spike back up for a second, but a push back down. You just gotta be patient. Man, it's really just gonna go through it. Yeah, this isn't looking very good. Ooh, wow. Yeah, this is gonna blast through. Damn, dude. Oh, what? Whoa.
Order submitted.
Whoa. Crazy. It's crazy after this strong bearish close. It just shot up like that after going past the zone. But volume like that, you can't ignore it. You gotta crazy spike up. See if it keeps going.
Order filled.
All right. All right. We're entered in this gold trade. Let's see if we can keep getting that push up. It looks pretty good. The only thing that worries me is that these candles closed in the zone, but there's a lot of volume coming in, a lot of buying pressure coming in. So we'll see if it continues up. If this wins, this will get us to 50,800, I think, and some change. A little bit of drawdown. It's okay. Got a visitor. Good morning. Let's see if Daddy can get a win. Ooh. Moved our stop loss a little up to reduce a little bit of risk. Getting a nice pushback up. See if gold can keep going. Yep. Keep going, dude. Right when you gave them to me, it started going in my favor. Like literally right when you gave them to me. It's so funny. I'm gonna start chilling my stop soon if this keeps going up. If it comes down and it stops me at 30 ticks, I'll be happy with that. That's fine. Be back to 700. Break even. Come on. Keep going. Don't want to put the 30 ticks just yet. Oh, come on. Come on, put it to 30.
Target filled.
Oh, heck yeah. It's just about to move to 30 ticks. But we got the full TP. 45? Yes, 45. Hell yeah. Honestly, if I had like 2 contracts, could have left a runner, but I only ran one contract because it was a pretty big move, 45 ticks. But I got to get better at that. Once I have more money, I'll start using 2 contracts. Um, okay, so this week has been a pretty good week so far. Even though I lost yesterday, I'm glad I followed my plan. My emotions were in check. Same thing today. Good trade. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with supply and demand for the most part. Good start to the week. Hopefully we can get past 1K this week. Not trading tomorrow. I'm starting to not trade on Wednesdays. Get a nice break in between the week. And then we'll be back Thursday.